Namaskar, my name is Dr. Sasikant. I am from India Met Department. I will be presenting a weekly weather review and outlook for next 2 weeks. So, let us start the presentation. So, this is about past 1 week synoptic situation what we have. That last week's Bell-Mark low pressure area was over north inter Odisha, and this moves towards southwest Rajasthan, passing through western parts of MP and Rajasthan during 20 to 26th, and then another low pressure area formed over North Bay of Bengal on 24th, and then further intensified to Bell-Mark low pressure area over the same region on that day, and then it now today lies over northern parts of Chhattisgarh and neighborhood. Third major system is the monsoon trough. It was nearly south of the its normal position overall most days of the week. So, this is about what we had cloud and rainfall features during 21st to 26th August. So, we can see that during this week we had a number of extreme weather events mainly over Chhattisgarh, West MP, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Odisha because of these 2 low pressure areas what we had. And one major system is that during past 3 weeks our monsoonal rainfall was above normal, and we had 140% of long period average during this week, and this excess amount of rainfall mainly concentrated over central parts and adjoining parts of the western India like Gujarat and Rajasthan. And so, this is the consecutive 3 weeks rainfall situation. We can see that consecutively 3 weeks we had a good amount of rainfall. For week ending on 12th August, we had 13% above rainfall. For week ending on 19th, it was 42%, and for week just last ending on this 26th, it was 41% above long period average. So, this is again about overall situation of southwest monsoon from June to 26th of August. We can see that consecutively 3 weeks we had above normal to above normal rainfall, but in before that it was below normal. So, this is the good indication for farmers and other stakeholders which are heavily dependent on the rainfall. So, we can see that except northwest India where minus 13% was there, otherwise overall we can say that as on today 26 August 8% above normal rainfall occurred as a whole over the country. So, this is about the picture of this August comparison to the long average starting from 19,001 to 2020. We can see that this August 2020 we have 24% above normal rainfall. Same situation was in August of 1983, and earlier to that in 1926 we had 33% above normal rainfall. So, this is the synoptic feature weather situation as on today. We can see that easily that there is a Bell-Mark low pressure area over North Chhattisgarh, and monsoon trough the western end of the monsoon trough is to the foothills of the Himalayas, and eastern end is going to the center of the Bell-Mark low pressure area, and there is a cyclonic circulation over southeast Pakistan and neighborhood. So, because of this system after 2 or 3 days rainfall may increase because of the southwesterly from the Arabian Sea to the Gujarat and Rajasthan area again on 29 or 30 and 31. So, this is the week 1 weather situation for 28 August to 3rd September. So, Bell-Mark low pressure area actually which is on today over North Chhattisgarh likely to move towards the northern parts of MP and southern parts of Uttar Pradesh till 30th. After that it may be less marked, and the western end of the monsoon trough very likely to shift to the southward to the near normal position, and its eastern end very likely to shift to the foothills of Himalayas from 29th August. So, this is about 850 HPA hectopascal winds and rainfall. We can easily see that the rainfall will concentrated over the central parts of the India, including MP and neighborhood. So, this is all about, and we can see that week ending we have some system some cyclonic circulation over Gujarat and neighborhood. It may increase increase rainfall over eastern parts of the Rajasthan and adjoining Gujarat area, Saurashtra, Kutch. This is about extended range forecast for next 2 weeks. So, we can see that during week 1, very good amount of rainfall, like above normal rainfall is very expected. However, in week 2, normal rainfall is expected, and thereafter reduction of the rainfall is likely. So, we can see that during week 1, we can see that northwest and west central India we may have above normal rainfall, and over East India and northern peninsula below normal rainfall, but overall we can see that country as a whole we can have above normal rainfall, but in week 2 only normal rainfall is expected and mainly concentrated to the central belt of the India. So, this is the forecast summary for coming week from 28 to 3rd September. We can see that during next 2-3 days we can have extremely rainfall over mainly over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and eastern parts of the MP. We can have extremely rainfalls. We can see in next slide also, and heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over central parts of the India. What heavy rainfalls likely over northwest India till 29 August, and then there is chances of reduction of the rainfall over northwest India. So, this is all about this week 1. So, we can summarize that above normal rainfall activity very likely over northwest and central India during this week, and rainfall activity likely to be subdued over southern peninsula and northeastern states and adjoining East India, because of the, as already discussed about the shifting of the monsoon trough, and there is no chances of likely formation of the low pressure system. So, this slide is all about weather warnings for next 5 days. We can see that red patches shows extremely heavy rainfall expectancy over eastern parts of MP, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha mainly during next 2 days, that is 27 and 28 August, and because of this extremely heavy rainfall there are very likely over occurrence of urban flooding, localized flooding, and over that areas where extremely heavy rainfall is likely to occur. So, it is suggested that disruption of traffic in major cities due to the waterlogging roads leading to the increased travel time and minor damage to the kacha roads and possibilities of damage of vulnerable structure, kacha houses, etc. So, it is suggested to the public to be careful during 27 and 28 over these areas. So, this is about the forecast summary for next second week, that is 4 to 10 September. So, during this week monsoon trough will likely to remain either normal or normal situation during this week, and secondly there is no chances of formation of low pressure area. Because of this likely reduction of rainfall over the over whole country except where over northern plains of and southern peninsular India where normal rainfall is expected, otherwise below normal rainfall is expected rest part of the country. Thank you very much.